Hey guys, it's Tyler Wisler, and I'm here to talk to you about what I consider to be the most important things in a successful room. Now, what do I mean by a successful room? Well, I think it's a room that really encapsulates you and really invigorates all of your senses. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, let's start off with the obvious visuals. A beautiful room is a beautiful room. It is a mixture of textures and colors and patterns and volumes and scale. That goes without saying. That makes a beautiful room? Yes, it's a beautiful room. If we jump in, it turns into a tactile feel. So when we have a room that has a lot of upholstered pieces, say in like velvet or mohair or boucle, it gives us something to touch and feel. And it's just this amazing quality where, like, if you were to walk into a fast food restaurant, everything is sort of, hard surfaces, ready to clean. It doesn't give you a sense of lingering, where in a living space, you really want to hang out for a while. So it's all about tactile. Now, it's not just about on your hands, what you can feel with your hands, but also under your feet. Rugs. Rugs are so important in spaces. It not only helps define where the furniture goes, but it feels good under your feet. And it's amazing because Best Home offers customized rugs, which makes things a lot easier. Now, when we're talking about rugs, it segues us right into acoustics. Now, the sound of a space doesn't sound like anything important, but it is. Think about going to somewhere like an airport. Hard surfaces, it's bustling and moving, and there's a lot of noise happening. That's not really what you want in a space where you want to relax. So when we use things like upholstered pieces of furniture, rugs, drapery, it helps dampen the noise, and it gives us a sense of, I want to hang out here. Lastly, let's talk about scent. Scents are very, very important because they trigger memories. They trigger emotions that you can't really describe. Say, for example, let's compare a hospital to a library. Hospital is very clinical. It smells very antiseptic. It smells like alcohol. Where a library has that old, rich smell of leather and books. So what I like to do in every space is come up with a signature scent, whether that is through candles or a beautiful diffuser. It gives you a sense of home. When I actually travel, I like to travel with a candle from home and light it up in the hotel room because it reminds me of home, because of that sensory memory that you get. So, I hope that you take some of these suggestions to heart and think about it when you're designing your space, because what do you want to do? You want to invigorate all of your senses, right? So I hope that you are designing your best life.